Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In today's video, we are going to talk about the Dent coin. Dent coin, what's going on in the Dent coin? What's the price? What's the price since over in the Dent coin, my friends? My friends, in this video, I'm talking about the Dent coin previous time changes, my friends. You know what? That the previous time, the previous last 30-40 days, the Dent coin price is completely falls down. So what's the reason behind that? Let's see. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now at this time, the latest price of the Dent coin is 0.001996 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Dent coin. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes for now the last 1 hour, change is negative, but the yesterday, my friends, yesterday I'm impressed from a Dent coin yesterday, my friends. When I see the changes spoken in the Dent coin is positive, so I understand that everything will be good. And now Dent coin is ready to the moon, my friends. Absolutely, Dent coin is now ready to the moon because the change is positive, my friends. Let's see the price chart, my friends. You can see here Dent coin price is day by day, hour by hour is start increasing, but you can see now still at some point the price of Dent coin falls down, but averagely the change is going positive about a Dent coin, my friends. So my friends, what's your opinion and how do you feel today about the Dent coin? Tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.